got a what?
I got a
I ain't
shift
know
right
until I was at the
right
house
over,
and I got the
man.
phone. I was like,
Okay.
oh, the shirt kind of small.
He need a crowbar, man.
Oh, you ain't got a bus.
He actually need a crowbar.
Where the minute go? Yeah, he talking about that was his truck. I was like, ain't that a bus? I should have known. Oh, I'm in now. Oh, I'm good. If I had some light, okay, give me some light on your phone.
Do you have something to say?
Show him how this go wrong.
No, bro, I'm finna show
broke
you.
my
Show
phone
him how
like
it
3
go
times.
right.
Yeah, there you go. He said.
So, well, then where you from?
I'm from, you know, D-Town.
Terry Kane.
What they say? D-Town?
My
Triple
nigga,
D? Something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know how to throw it up. I don't want to throw up no gang signs, so we're just going to do this.
Uh-huh.
It looks
Yeah.
like I threw up something.
Yeah.
There you go.
So,
Right there.
that don't sound right, because all I can see, I can hear them. There you go.
Man, you gotta take your
There you
antenna
go.
off, man. I know the trick.
I did that. It doesn't
And
work.
then it
ain't
worked?
long enough.
Get out.
It ain't long.
I shouldn't say that. I told somebody else not to say that.
Yeah, if I close
Ladies
my
and
eyes,
gentlemen, if you're not paying attention to this right here,
Okay.
this is a stick of some sort.
Your number what, lady? 214?
The last number that dialed.
Nigga,
Oh, okay, I got you now. I got you.
Damn, King, you high.
I got you.
King,
Edna.
King,
Edna,
King, King,
Edna, Edna, I got
King,
you, I
King,
got you.
King, King. You gonna do me like that, King?
Okay.
You
Edna.
gonna do me like that,
I
huh?
got you, baby.
You gonna do me like that, baby
Edna
boy?
Harrison.
You gonna do me like that? All right, King, I got you, dog. King cut,
My bad, man.
King cut.
You know what
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? My nigga,
Yeah, my
ace,
phone
my
name.
motherfucking dog. See,
Yeah, already.
See, look, what's that?
You got the VIP card.
What's that?
Everybody
What's
got that.
everybody ain't got that.
Yeah,
Y'all
so-
better understand,
So you
realize,
man.
realize and analyze this. This is
Yeah.
where you need to be going to go get your face trim, your hair
They
cut.
don't. They
You see the number? You see the number? That's my own personal plug for this nigga. But this nigga just put me on blast.
What?
My nigga.
Nah, that's my bad. Edna.
And then go keep going. Boy, I swear
My
for
bad,
God,
man.
if your ass wasn't my motherfucking dog, nigga, we be fighting right about now. You know that, right? And I still keep your card in my pocket. I'm
I
like,
just
yeah,
know
yeah.
that with they card.
Hey,
you know?
there you go.
We
you
cool
keep,
with it.
We
I ain't
straight
mad.
cool with it. We finna leave it alone.
I'm gonna leave it at the name it was, so I can know who I'm talking.
I'ma fuck with. I'ma
man.
fuck with your
Put
ass.
ladies in front of me.
Oh,
That motherfucker didn't pop. Are you serious? It went out, but it's not out for now.
That motherfucker didn't pop.
Oh shit, my hook gone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it as long as I got that hook.
Just right.
Like
Yeah,
that.
I gotta smash that hit.
Okay.
That's that bitch.
y'all wanna be on camera too?
No, we see him. We
You wanna say something? You sure? All right, I'm just making sure. We got an audience. I want audience participation. I thought we'd go ahead. You scared?
A little bit. I feel like I'm going to get arrested just for being there. We in Carolina Park and they gone.
All right. Well, we'll come back to this later because this is taking too much of my time,
I don't have a
and this shit ain't funny no more.
They going to be here next Tuesday.
If he's here next Tuesday, we'll let y'all know.
Yeah, if he breaking in his shit next Tuesday, and we know he ain't got no keys in his mouth.
Why you recording though?
Cause he got a branch sticking out his damn car. He got a branch sticking out his car. He got a branch sticking out of the fucking car. That is why I record. I swear for God, if it wasn't for the fucking branch sticking out of his car and Latrice was the main one helping him out, this motherfucker from Duncanville, she ain't never broke into a goddamn play car. And you gonna listen to her. So, hey, we'll talk about this shit later. Y'all be easy. All that good shit.